You can't jump. You ain't even. Don't let people keep you around. That's all you got? Oh man, look at her pants. You're all wet.
Come on, get the frog off the deck.
Huh?
Get the frog off the deck.
Just letting people push him around. I ain't scared of you because you don't go anywhere. Look, I'm talking all that shit.
Oh. What happened? You made him fall in the hole and shit, man.
Well, he won't go anywhere. It's like, move around.
Did you forget about the food you're cooking on the stove?